When we don't develop, we usually have a very low energy level, yeah? And then we are not motivated to do things in life that bring us joy. Sometimes we can have such a low energy level that we are so too comfortable and too lazy to do anything at all in life, yeah? And everything becomes a routine, becomes boring, and we cannot really be successful this way. And if we do develop constantly, then we get high level of energy, yeah? Then we are motivated to do things. The world reveals its interesting, exciting nature, and then we get so many ideas and we want to implement them all. We are excited to do some challenging tasks in life, and we are never bored to do them all, and we want to do more and more, yeah, and we enjoy life. So personal development does not only makes us fulfill our goals, it also makes us enjoy life. I'm Nadia. On this channel I talk about business and self-development, so consider subscribing not to miss important information. I also wrote a book on self-development. You can check the link in the description below, down there, where I talk more about why self-development is important. And there I reveal a lot of information about myself, yeah, about my journey. This is the only place you can get so much information about me, because usually I don't like talking about myself. I'm quite an introvert. For the purpose of this book, I decided to reveal a lot of information, and I'm very open about my life, and everything I wrote there actually happened. Also, I talk about my family and their experience. This book, I really hope it motivates you to become a better version of yourself. Yeah, no matter where you are on your journey, I would like this book to inspire you to make a step further in your personal development. I dedicated my life to searching for freedom and life meaning. So in this book I talk a lot about this, and this also brought me to the topics of human consciousness, happiness and success in general. I realized that it has to do with the whole, development, with our totality, with balance in life. So success or happiness is not only one thing here or there, it's really about the total development of a human being. It's where we get connection to our true potential, and we use this potential, we discover this potential, we open it up, we do things for others. So in this book I give you a formula, my formula of being successful, of being useful, of being happy. If you like this video, give this video a like, and I would like to hear from you in the comments if you find that the topic of personal development is very important, and if you're excited to maybe read this book of mine that I just wrote. I would also like you to watch other videos of mine on personal development. I have a whole playlist on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel not to miss new information. See you in my next video.